You're watching Let's Chat.
Welcome back, everyone. We are going to tell you more about an organization that is giving back so much right here in the Tennessee Valley. It's dedicated to teaching children and adults about jazz. And joining us now to tell us all about it is Antoine and Antonio. They are with Doors Open Jazz. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Glad that you guys are here with us. First of all, tell us a little bit about Doors Open Jazz and what you do in the community.
Doors Open Jazz is a nonprofit entity whose mission is to inspire and empower our kids of the underserved communities through the power of free music lessons, because when a child at a young age learns a musical instrument, it boosts their math IQ, their memory, and their language skills. Now, when our senior citizens learn a musical instrument, it helps stave off the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's and other cognitive issues.
Which is so important.
Absolutely. So our program is available for kids and adults, so all the way up to the seniors. So you know, that's what we do.
That's wonderful. Antonio, why did you decide you wanted to be a part of this? You're making a difference, both of you, in so many lives.
Yeah. You know, like ever since basically the onset of the program, I've met Antoine, and you know, he was playing trumpet and I was playing saxophone, and we were just talking about, you know, like playing jazz and how it's something we both enjoy, but then also, you know, Antoine started pitching these ideas about how he wanted to make a program that could give basically free music lessons to anyone who was interested. And I was kind of like, yeah, that sounds like a good deal. I would do that. And then just so happened, you know, kind of lined up moving on, like a couple weeks later, he called me up and basically was like, yo, we got this program going. Let's make a difference. So I said, yeah, totally. And here we are today.
There you are today. And there's a lot of programs that are available for kids and Antoine that are coming up this summer. Tell us a little bit about it.
We got 2 5-week programs going on right now. One is with the Reach One, Teach One organization. That's a 5-week program in which we're teaching piano and we're teaching trumpet. That is closed, but we got about 20 kids that are really enjoying that program as of now. And so we also have another 5-week program, and that's our jazz workshop class. That's going to be really fun because now kids get to cut their teeth at improvising and learning how to solo. And that's something that I didn't learn until I was at least 19 years old. And so I know there's a lot of kids out there, including adults, that would like to cut their teeth at learning how to improv. And it's a wonderful thing. That starts this Monday. I know on the flyer it says from 13 to 18, but we just recently opened that up from 13 all the way up.
Sounds like a great program. Now, if folks would like some more information on how they can be part of this, how do they do that?
Yeah. You know, it's really easy to reach us. If you'd like to enroll, our website is www.doorsopenjazz.org. There's a big green button right on the front page that leads to all of our enrollment. So yeah, beyond that, it's one click away.
Sounds like a great event that's going on right here in the Tennessee Valley. Thank you guys for what you're doing for our community and giving back to so many children and seniors, teaching them the love of music, which is so important.
Yeah,
That's right. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Absolutely. If you would like some more information about what they're doing this summer with Doors Open Jazz, just go check out their website. The information will be available for you to sign your children up or seniors to be part of this wonderful program.